no sooner had I said, okay, that's enough, we'll see where this goes. And as I was walking out of the room, I heard the first signs of failure. So, we're going to go to 200, which is our new torture line, and we're going to count. The fan is going on. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 1011, 1011. 11 seconds, roughly, after the fan was turned on, the drive comes back to life. I only left it on for just about that amount of time. So, and the fan right now is sitting down in, and it's pointing up. Honestly, it's just supposed to move the air around. And I guess it did that. So it is sitting beside the big capacitors, but really, you know what, it's just the air is flowing inside. You know, as it happens, because I have things around, I realized that I had handy. This is well, that is a circuit board to control a disk drive. Now, this one, I believe, has troubles. Certainly all the chips are out of it. And what is this for? Oh, here we go. Floppy 8050002. Floppy digital Commodore 1980. Made in USA. But I see, right off the bat, that there are right up near, oh, wait, goes like this, okay, goes like that, oh, right, it goes like that, that's how it mounts. That's how it mounts. Okay, so it mounts like this in the jar. But very near to the power connector and the many of the chips on this board, I'll try and get close enough. There is some obvious signs of heat. They are, the heat is around CR5 and CR6. And if you look, I'm going to try and get this as close as I can, but if you have a look there, you can see that the board is darker, and certainly from the back side, I'm trying to get this lined up, you can see there is sign of heat. Now, what is a CR5 CR5 and a CR6. I did take electronics long ago. And I should know what that means. I think. I don't know. I'll have to look it up. It's got to be in the parts list. I'm just looking over. Ooh. Let's see here. CR. Aha! That is the first sign. The drive has chattered. We are at. The drive is chattering again. The drive is chattering. Okay, I think we have achieved. Now, here's the thing. I'm going to leave it running. I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm going to count. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008, 1009, 1010, 2011, 2012, 2013. And it's up and working again. So, CR. And it's funny, you know, that whatever those are very close to where the data connection here is. So this is a board from Egypt. It also looks like it's had a rough life. Perhaps some water damage, another such thing. Now, not surprising. Also, just near there, is another circuit board. And this one is much the same. It is. And as I look at CR5 and CR6, there are no signs of such trouble. None at all. And as I glance around the board, and mind you, this board is, you know, not the same as the 4040 one. All the chips are out of it. But I'm going to try and show you CR5, CR6. They look fine. And at the back side, CR5, CR6. They look fine. So this board does not look like it has had such a rough life. It does not. But yet, anyway, I don't know exactly why it's sitting here with no chips in it. Oh. Aha. Okay. We are having the first signs of failure. We are again. Alright. Going to turn on the fan. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004. Now it's 1004. Now maybe I was counting a little slower, but it's back working again. Well, it is nice to have a problem that is predictable and repeatable. It is. figuring out exactly what it is, that is another story. Anyway, we're getting somewhere. I'm not sure what the next step will be. Oh, we are failing after 20 seconds. I think we're now getting into, oh yeah, now the director is looking funny. Soon this is going to scream. 37 seconds. Alright, I'm going to apply the fan. 1001, 1002, 1003, 1004, 1005, 1006, 1007, 1008. I'm going to turn it off. I'm going to run. The directory is reading. All is well. I wonder how long this will take this time. I would like to base this sort of kind of on where the fan is blowing, but I know that that really doesn't matter. It is in its contained world, it is setting up a whirlwind of air. And it seems whatever it is that is the trouble, it doesn't take a whole lot of change to make it happy. So, we're now at 54 seconds. We are well, maybe the 40-40 should have come with a fan anyway. Perhaps. Okay. So we're now at, oh, it hesitated. 142. Is it, oh, and I see funny little things appearing. Here we go. But it came out of it, but it's not going to come out of it. So now at 1 minute and 59 seconds, we are having issues. 2 minutes, 12 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And now we're back. All right. I will think about what the next step is. Thank you for coming. Didn't hardly get to stop. 34 seconds, it died. A little blast of air. It's back. Well, we have a predictable, reoccurring error. But what is causing it? I don't know. But I'm going to find out. So once again, thank you for being here. You know what I think I'm going to do right now? I'm going to turn the fan on. I'm going to leave it on I'm going to let it run. Bye for now.